Jan, tell me, you've been with Cybert Media a bit longer than I have. So I started 3 years ago. We talked a lot about Linchpin Hey that time, about our Linchpin intranet, the DC intranet. But when you started, tell me how it was back then.
So I hope you can hear me. So my name is Jan, and I've started at Cybert Media like 8.5 years ago as a Confluence consultant. I know that Martin Siebert, he told me that when I started, he told me, freut sich wie ein Honigkuchenpferd. I'm sorry that it's German, so only the Germans now will understand Honigkuchenpferd. However, we were only 70 people back then, and something that didn't change until today, because now we are over 320 people. Hi, my colleagues. And what didn't change is that we are still an open, minded culture, inclusive and agile, of course. And Linchpin was, I would say, the favorite tool, of course, of Martin and also of Sebastian. And they wanted to really conquer the market with that.
Didn't you tell me you were a Linchpin consultant?
No, I wasn't a Linchpin consultant, no.
Confluence
I was
consultant.
like a normal Atlassian consultant and always on the road. Since then, when my daughter came, it was not, the combination is not so fitting.
Okay, but maybe some of you remember the ones that were here last year. We talked a lot about Linchpin Hey, our cloud product. I was standing on the same stage with Lars Bachmann. I think he's here today as well, somewhere, or maybe he has left. Okay. But we stopped the development after Team 22. Maybe you can say a few words what led to that decision.
Yeah, so first of all, it was not my decision, okay? I don't know who saw actually Linchpin Hey. Okay, like 10 guys. So it was a really nice intranet. First of all, I want to give a shout out to the team, all the people behind Linchpin Hey. I would say it starts with a great and unique logo, and also the app itself, all the features have a really good foundation. The only problem, in my point of view, is that it's not a native Confluence app. It's not available through the Atlassian marketplace. And so, you are like competing with a completely different market. You're out there in the Shark Tank with Microsoft SharePoint, and so it's a little bit like David and Goliath, right? And of course, we are David.
Okay, but enough about that. We're not here to talk about the past, but maybe you can say a few words about Mantra, about the new internet solution, and also how Linchpin Hey influenced that.
Sure. So in a minute, I will show you Mantra. How did Linchpin Hey influence Mantra and all the features that you can find in there? I would say, in one word, significantly. Once again, the foundation of Linchpin Hey was completely right. It wasn't just, it was not a Confluence app. This is the only downside of the game here. And we again researched for many different intranets, and I have to say that no other solution fitted our vision as much as Linchpin Hey. So in a couple of seconds you will see it, and I hope maybe for the guys that already experienced Linchpin Hey, you will recognize the, how you say, how they look quite, the same.
Now tell me, why is App Anwar, why are you, Philip, and the other people on your team building the new intranet for Cybert Media when Linchpin was Cybert Media's core product?
Yeah, so I would say it's still Cybert Media's core product. Yes, we are App Anvil, but we have First of all, strong relationship with Siebert Media. First of all, I'm still working for Siebert Media as a product manager for Agile Hive. There will be a talk later on that I will help. But I'm also like the co-founder of App Anvil, and so we have a strong bound, and we have a how you say a joint venture. And yeah, since Martin really loves Aura and Karma, he said, yeah, why don't you try it? Why don't you go for it and show me that you're capable of also creating an intranet?
Okay, Jan, let's go. I want to see it.
All right. So, yeah, we skipped that. We skipped that too. Here you can see how Linchpin Hey looks like, and I hope that you can already see that it has still a modern look, right? And now let's go forward. Now I want to show you Mantra. I'm really excited because we released Mantra yesterday in the marketplace, and beautiful, isn't it? So what I want to show you is some features, and I hope I have enough time because it is really full packed. So what is Mantra? Mantra is our new comprehensive, let's say, all-in-one intranet solution, 100% within Confluence Cloud. So it's not separated, it's not somewhere else, it's in your Confluence Cloud. And what you see here is the dashboard. Let's start exploring the dashboard a little bit. So it serves as a central hub for all essential information and updates at a single glance. And the dashboard sports an elegant contemporary website design and complemented by a customizable header that you can see here with the blue intranet logo. I don't know if I have to click now. Yeah, I have. What you can see here, it consists of news, posts, events, and a social media feed. So it highlights the 9 latest news articles, recent posts on the left side, the 4th upcoming events, and as I told you already, a unified social ball that brings together content from various social media sources right into one feed. And like I already told you, the view is the heart of the intranet, and it is essential for staying up to date on all that is happening within the organization. And now let's switch to the personalization and the categories that we offer in Mantra. So every user can now personalize the dashboard and all other Mantra views by focusing on the content that truly matters to them. So all the content displayed here, like again, news, posts, etc., is categorized, and it takes only 2 clicks to switch between different content. Let me see. We already show it. Yeah, you already saw it. I'm too quick now. You saw that we transitioned from the US location to the European location, or you can also display managing content alongside product content, so it's your choice. And let me go back because I was too fast. Another attractive feature is the ability to consistently present essential news, posts, events, and other information, regardless of the user's customized categories. So now the next feature is the quick access and the navigation. So how does a user access Mantra? Emphasizing the importance of an intranet, as a central, vital tool, which, it should be like that. Mantra ensures accessibility by being just 1 click away, regardless of your location within Confluence. Always just 1 click. This was really, really important to me when we started developing Mantra. And what you can do is you can simply click on your company logo in the top navigation of Confluence, and boom, you are on the dashboard. Not only can you access Mantra with a single click, but you can also quickly reach the most critical content through a fully customizable navigation bar that's always at your fingertips. So it means it doesn't matter where you are in Confluence, it will always be displayed. And with Mantra, the appearance, as you can already see here, of the navigation entries can be edited with icons, images, titles, descriptions, providing a more intuitive and visually appealing navigation experience. All right, now let's dive deeper into the news feature. To do this, we will navigate to the news view. In Mantra, the news showcases a captivating, as you can see here now, a little bit zoomed in. They showcase a captivating header image with the space name positioned in the top left corner. And as the news is built on Confluence pages and or blogs, so both, you can decide what you want to use. You can take advantage of Confluence apps, of course, like Aura and Karma, to craft compelling news articles. And each news item, as you can see here right now, can be fully accessed within Mantra, eliminating the need to switch from to the standard page view or blog view, depends, ensuring quick and seamless access. And by the way, all macros from all the apps in the marketplace are displayed here. The news also displays, as you can see here, the author, the title, opening sentences, creation date, and the number of comments and likes. And of course, you can also comment right here if you want. All right, creating news in Mantra is both. It's user-friendly and efficient because there's no need to navigate between various Confluence spaces to create a page or a blog or to be concerned about, adding the right labels. Mantra simplifies the entire process, the entire creation process, enhancing efficiency and ease to use. All right, the posts. So, in today's workplace, now I sound a little bit like ChatGPT maybe. In today's workplace, open and transparent communication is increasingly valued. Yeah, it's ChatGPT. Mantra's post feature addresses this need by offering employees a platform for bottom-up communication. And, they can then share ideas, opinions, shout-outs, and engage in constructive conversations with colleagues. And with the ability to like and comment on posts, employees can participate in dynamic discussions that encourage engagement, collaboration, and innovation. So you can format your posts, upload the editor, you can upload attachments, embed content such as YouTube videos, like you can see here, with the same inline editing, that is available on Confluence pages. All right, so now let's turn our attention to the event view. It's crucial for companies to maintain a connection with their employees and to keep them up to date on significant events and foster a sense of community. And Mantra's events features enables organizations to create, manage, and publicize various events, including, of course, parties like today, hackathons, yoga sessions, and all the other essential meetings. And here it's like the same with the news. You can view the details, and which showcases all the relevant information, including cover images, descriptions, event details, start and end times, on-site and remote locations, and on the right side, a little bit small, the avatars of all the attendees. And what you can also do is, it's barely seeable, you can also comment on events, which is really cool. So you don't have like an event page and then you have to switch to somewhere else. No, you can just comment right there. Okay. Now, what I want to show you is the social wall. So primarily, it offers a centralized space for employees to observe and engage with the company's social media activities. Rather than individually, tracking each social media platform, employees can now easily consult the social wall, to remain informed about the most recent news, events, promotions, and customer feedback. So here you see a real-life example of Atlassian's and Seabird Media's social wall in action. All right, now let's discuss one of my top features. So what's the most vital aspect of any organization? It's the people. And that's why Mantra includes an efficient and well-structured people directory. So this essential tool allows employees to swiftly locate colleagues possessing particular skills, expertise, or job positions using a robust and expandable filters. And for example, you can find someone who speaks English and German, and you just tick those boxes, and then you see you can identify the right people, and you can then effortlessly click on their card to access their profile and discover more about them. And here is a profile. So this is the profile of Alice. Each user can customize their profile with an appealing header image and add some personal touches in the About Me section, for example. And you'll notice numerous data fields here, such as location, team, supervisor, birthday, and so on. And some are editable, some are not, because administrators can define how to proceed with them. And so I see I don't have so much time yet left. Wrapping up. Okay, I have to wrap up. So it means I will really. It's already over. Or what? Oh, cool. Okay. Now I will. Okay. So we have theming. We have some examples for theming. We have super users, just accept that. We have the navigation, just accept that. Safety first, your data remains your data, so nearly all your data remains in your Confluence, and it's built with Forge. Oh yeah. And one last one. One last one before you're starting whatever. What? So here's again what I told you. And you can try it out today because we used it yesterday. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah.
Any questions? Martin?
This is all like slides.
It's real. It's real. It's free for up to 10 users. You can install it right away. Have fun.
Any other questions?
I can try if you can just repeat. You said nearly all your data is
Yeah.
Confluence Cloud. What exactly does nearly mean? What doesn't stay there?
Yeah. So the question was which data, because I said nearly, and you heard it. So what is near? What does it mean? So it means nearly the settings, for example, that you set up in the administration of Mantra for providing, for example, the primary colors and some images. This is stuff that is on our service. But all the content, like news, where the confidential stuff is in, posts, events, this is on your Confluence. All right. Mic is already ringing.
3 more minutes.
3 more minutes. Okay.
I have a question. So change is hard, right? Like users hate changing. So does it integrate with anything else, right? With events, does it integrate with Outlook, or Teams, or Google, or whatever, right? And then your people management, does it integrate with Active Directory? Because my people hate changing. They've already mad at me because I migrated to cloud. So I would like them to like me again. So.
All right. So, for example, with the events, if you join an event, you will get an automatic, invite for your calendar. So it doesn't matter what tool you're using. So I hope this already answers the first question. And right now, so this is version 1, okay? So bear with me that there is no sync currently for the Active Directory. But this is something that is on our roadmap. So right now, no. But in the future, we want to make it happen. You're welcome.
Okay, one more question.
Hivat.
Test, test. So what's up? Hope you're doing all well. Hi, Jan. Just one question. The dashboard which you showed, is this only accessible via the app section, or can I also set it up for the dashboard, for example? So you mean, you know what I mean, yeah?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
For example, like the Space homepage, etc.
Yeah, so this view is not a page. So this is a specific view that we are providing. And as I already told you, it doesn't matter where you're in Confluence. You can just click on your top navigation logo, and you are right here. And
Right.
it's not the site homepage that you're talking about. Yeah.
Jan and Philip will be out there. They have a booth. They will stand there all day. You can ask all your questions. And I'm handing over to Jamal, who will be guiding you through the day today. So there you go.
Welcome, everybody. Thank you.